Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we got a silver bullet today. 1969 Chevy Nova with a 396 big block, a 4-speed, and a posi sitting under the back end. Had an 800-hour body-off-frame restoration. Only about 300 miles have been put on the car since it's been finished. Everything's been replaced or rebuilt. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read the information. Take your time and study all the pictures top to bottom. And that's where you'll find a price tag on every one of our cars for sale, along with a monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe and click on the bell icon so you're notified as the new videos are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body was off the frame. It's just a subframe up front, but essentially everything under the car was dropped out of it front to back. And all rebuilt. So the whole front end, ball joints, bushings, tie rods, all the steering, shocks, all been replaced. And it's all painted, detailed, all looks like new. The subframe was painted, new bushings. The rear suspension was dropped out of it. The springs, the bushings, the shocks, all look fresh. All new fuel system. That would be the tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines. The brakes have been completely restored, has disc in front, new brake lines, new e-brake cables, has a great sounding dual exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out the back. What else we got under there? You look up at the motor, clean Chevy orange, it's still fresh. The starter looks new. High performance is cast right on the side of the block. Muncie 4-speed transmission, that was gone through. It looks spotless. All the shift linkage looks new. Drive shaft's rebuilt. It has a rebuilt 10-bolt rear end with a 355 posi unit in there. The floors are super clean. Nice, smooth, clean floors, painted satin or semi-gloss black. The restorer of this car claimed it's all the original metal, and based on what I was looking at, I think that's true. But really, really nice. Looks like a new car underneath. The body is excellent. It's absolutely straight. I've already poked all around this, and it's absolutely straight. There's no waves, no damage, no bubbles, no body work showing. All the body is excellent. All of this is really nice, right down to the bottom. There's no bubbles. The roof is excellent. This can be a problem area, but not on this car. It's all nice, smooth, straight. No issues with the body at all. It is a code 69 car, Cortez Silver. It's repainted silver. They did a knockout job. I'm sure the factory did not do it this nice. But all the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not blotchy or cloudy or mismatched. It's all laid out nice. The clear coat looks wet. It's polished very smooth and glossy. One little imperfection right here, like a little blister or bubble. Tiny, oh, that wiped off. But I don't even see any nicks or chips or scratches or anything like that. It's slick. The glass is replaced, except the rear window looks to be a good original. All of the trim, the rain gutters, the moldings around the windows, door handles, mirrors, all been replaced. Emblems, wheel well trim, marker lights, the whole grille, bumpers, emblems, lenses, all been replaced. The wheels, you got 15-inch polished Weld wheels with BF Goodrich tires on them. Yeah, it's all in really nice shape. Inside's real nice too. Let's open it up and check that out. All right, this is a really clean trunk compartment. Underneath the trunk lid is as slick as it is on top of the trunk compartment. Got a new sticker. The jamb is nice and clean. The weather strip looks new. Now remember, he did claim original metal. I did poke around. I didn't find any cuts or splices. Does look like the original quarters. Trunk floor is spotless. Very neatly spatter painted. And look at the whole jack and spare assembly. I really like that. It's all there. It's all clean. This is how a trunk compartment should look. It's real nice. New mat. Looks like new tail light housings. The paint is really slick. The door jambs are real slick. Bottom of the doors are nice and clean. All the weather strips, window seals, sill plates, all been replaced. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, all new. Just a real nice, clean dash area. The plastic and the dash pad, all real nice. There's a retro stereo with 6x9 speakers in back. Gauge cluster here. This is where an air conditioning vent would be, so it doesn't look like they cut anything. Matching the correct lighter. This ashtray's clean. Got the glove box pouch with the owner's manual. Nice carpet on the floor with that Hurst 4-speed. Does have an Ididit tilt column with a cushion grip wheel. Has bucket seats here, and they're completely rebuilt, restored. New cushions, all new trim, new headrests, all the chrome pieces, all that's been replaced. The rear side panels, the upholstery, it's all been redone. The rear shelf, the trim around the back window. Headliners replaced, dome light, visors, mirror, all been replaced. Motor's rebuilt. It is a 396 motor, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke. In back is a new flamethrower HEI ignition system. You can see the firewall and the wiring, the gutter, the squirters, everything is fresh and clean and looks like it's all hooked up. Upgraded Be Cool aluminum radiator. A nice, all smooth metal, all painted real nice. Has power steering. The sticker is still on the pump. Master cylinder and all the junction block and the lines were replaced. Wiper motors replaced. Under the hood is real nice. Hood insulation. Ready to go to car shows. Oh yeah, this has the right sound. Got a nice cam, nice lopey sound. Yeah, it's a very tidy car throughout. If you're a particular person and you like your stuff really neat and clean, that's this one right here. Top to bottom, in and out. Just a well-built car. Fresh restoration. 300 miles since it's been done. And yeah, a big block 4-speed posi car and a little Nova. You can have a little fun with this one. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to finance it at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.